Hey guys, what's going on? I'm getting Brenna's Jeep ready for the winter here. We're up in New England. You guys are always asking where we're at. We're in New Hampshire. So as part of living in New Hampshire, right before the snow starts to fly, I like to go through all of our vehicles and make sure everything is up to snuff. So to the best of our ability, nothing comes back to bite us in December, January, or February, when we typically have 2 feet of snow out here. So with that said, I'm going to give you a quick tip today about your battery and what to do as some preventative maintenance to keep your battery terminals from corroding. So Brenna's my cameraman girl right now. I'm going to pan over to here. I just got finished cleaning the battery terminals in Brenna's Jeep. So I took the battery cables off. I cleaned them up with this post cleaner, and also a wire brush. So you should clean these up. If there happens to be like some gross corrosion on here, don't touch it. You should always wear gloves when you get in here. You don't want to get any acid on your hand. But a way to clean the corrosion is get a glass of or a cup of hot water, really hot water, pour it on the terminals, and typically that'll get it all out of there for you. Clean the terminals up, put them back on, and then what you want to do to help prevent that from coming back is you can get a battery corrosion spray. You might see Steve and I use this in our videos quite a bit. When we're done putting batteries back in vehicles, a lot of times we'll grab a spray like this, shake it up, and hit the top of the terminals. And it'll put a coating on there. It won't dry up, and what that'll do is it'll prevent the corrosion from coming back. It'll keep your vehicle starting a lot better. Just a quick tip for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.